Hey, what's going on, folks? Back in the garage. Got the GMC back in here. Same van I worked on, the code P1345. If you looked at the video, well, that code did clear. Took it down the highway, test drive. Ended up getting it flashing check engine light pop back on. So it was a P0300, I believe. So which was a random multiple misfire. That could be a little bit of anything. So today I'm gonna break it down, check for vacuum leaks, intake gasket leaks. Might check the fuel pressure on it, see if the pump is up. We put new spark plugs and wires on it not too long ago. The van, I'm sorry. Been sitting for a little time now, so just go through some things, see if we can get this code cleared on this van. So stick with me. I'm gonna get this doghouse cleared. Right now I'm test driving. It seems to be riding good, no check engine light, putting it on the highway. Let's see what I got going on. Waiting for this light to turn green, flip around, take it back down the highway, put a couple more miles on it. Right now she's running great, good voltage, good temp, good oil pressure, a little low on gas, but other than that, not a lot of shaking, smoking. The motor's doing no smoking actually. As you can see, I'm sitting in here fine, no smoking for the motor. It's a great motor. But hopefully this light stay off, man. Let's finish this test drive and put this phone down. Yeah, she running good, no check engine lights. Just flip it around, let y'all check out the van. That's the console, of course, I gotta put it back in. But yeah, man, she running great. Look at this van. Clean as a whistle, baby. Clean as a whistle. So yeah, still no check engine lights. So what I did on this one, I retimed it again. Clean that mass airflow sensor. Want to change the PVC valve let it sit. I'll come back out, do another test drive on it one more time, take it down the highway again, do a nice test drive. Make sure this light don't pop back on. After that, put the doghouse back in. Get it back.